In this video I will be showing you how to construct a trapezium when the parallels and the perpendicular distance is given. First we need to draw one of the parallels. In order to construct the trapezium, therefore I will construct the given angle. But I need to draw a parallel line this way. I will do so with radius equal to the perpendicular distance. But also, I need to cut arc of radius equal to the length of the other parallel. Finally, I will complete the trapezium. Your colleagues will appreciate you if you share this video with them.